it comes to TikTok adverts, there are some content that would give you better results. Better results means saves, shares, followers, and sales. In this video, I'll be sharing different content ideas that you should consider using for TikTok and the ones you should not use so that you do not waste your money. Let's jump right in. The first thing you have to know about TikTok is a Gen Z platform. The person that created that platform has Gen Z's in mind. So even when other people, like we millennials and even people older than us, like people in their 40s, 50s, when they go to the platform, they are going and they are feeling young. There are some few actresses that I know on TikTok. Auntie Yabo Ojo, she's a Nigerian actress. Funke Akindele, she's a Nigerian actress. When they are on TikTok, you see them dancing like Sweet 16. If you do not know them before because of fame, you could feel like, who is this babe now? They go to that platform with babe vibes, and they do what they are doing on that platform. And that is not because they want to just show that I'm Sweet 16. Not necessarily. It is because this is what sells on this platform, and they want to give people on the platform what they want them to see. That's it. As a business owner or content creator, and you want to leverage on TikTok adverts, the content that works for Instagram ads or Facebook adverts will not necessarily work for it. I'll give you some instance. When I want to run adverts on Instagram, most times I will do different items, put them together. Maybe it's women jewelry, men jewelry, put them together. If you are trying to market gifts, it could be different gifts. If you are trying to market a jewelry box, it's going to be different ones. If you are trying to market gifts, it's going to be different ones. And it's always 60 minutes longer. Now, people on Instagram, a lot of them are millennials that use Instagram better. I would say they are kind of patient, like they can sit and watch whatever you are putting in their faces, right? But people on TikTok, their body is not touching ground. So, advisably, let's talk about the length. Let the length of your video be between 20 seconds to 30 seconds. Do not try and do a 1 minute long video. Number one, these people would not watch it well. And if it's not watching it well, maybe the algorithm is meant to charge you some amount of money to get 5,000 views. They may be charging you more to reach more people, because the more people that watch a good percent of your video, the more it tells the algorithm that, okay, this is a good content. And because you are running adverts, TikTok now organically pushes it out to more people. But if you are doing a 60 seconds long video, and the Gen Zs, even older people on TikTok, they just want to swipe. When you're on the FYP page, you just want to be swiping, like, oh yeah, swipe. A spirit will be telling you to swipe. Right? So make it as short as possible. 20 seconds, you to go straight to the point. Don't greet us. Hi guys, no, that is not why we are here. So go straight to the point. When you are doing a voiceover, give them something they want. Do not be too serious. On Instagram, you can do adverts and you're very serious. Like, you can be very serious. Put in a little bit joke here and there. Just make sure your script, before you run that advert, I would highly advise you write a script. Make sure your script is speaking directly to the younger generations. Yes, I am aware that when you want to pick your targeting, you can say, okay, I'll pick 25 to 40. Other people are seeing my content, not the younger ones. Or even if you think, even the younger ones may not necessarily be able to afford what you are selling. But our goal for content on TikTok that I want to use an online advert is to give the platform what it wants. So regardless of your age, you go to that platform with Gen Z vibe, check. It will be doing like a Gen Z. If this is going to take you learning a slang, if there's something people are saying on TikTok, you can infuse it to your adverts. There's a trending word like very demure back then. Sometimes back, very demure, very classy, this thing was raining on all platforms, not only TikTok. You can just put something so that they can know that you say, you are Gen Z. Even if facially you are in the older generation, but in the blood, we are all Gen Z. Right now, even me. My name is Deborah and I'm 16 years old. A quick reintroduction. Pop. I've actually tried running multiple content adverts on TikTok and it didn't work. Like, I put different products. So when I say stick with a product, I am sharing from my experience of what I have done before, and I have spent my money. But of course, if you have more than enough money to go around, spend some on TikTok algorithm. It's okay, they will spend it for you. But there's actually always the platform to try things out. Because it didn't work for me does not necessarily mean it's not going to work for you. But my own job here is to try things out and give you feedback of what is working and what is not. Now let's talk about caption. Now, your content contains your video, the kind of video you are using, and the caption you are using. When it comes to caption, there's something I discovered about TikTok. I'm going to add a screen record of a post my assistant made on TikTok. That post was made maybe 3-4 months ago, and people still search for that post and they could still see that post. And this is what happened. Specific keywords are in that. In fact, that post was one of what triggered me. Even before this advert thinking came in, I've been on TikTok trying to make research because I like to cast my net in different places. With Instagram, Uncle Mark, I feel like we're in a kind of abusive relationship. I wake up and I'm scared, like, God, please, I hope my page is safe. Because I see it happen to people every day and it is super scary. So I've been in TikTok for a while, actively researching on how we can sell very well on TikTok, right? So there was a particular post my assistant made, but people still search for that post and they could see it. The same way you're going to come on YouTube and type how to run TikTok adverts, and a video of mine that I have made about how to run TikTok adverts would pop up and you're going to click and watch it. There's a search optimized engine on TikTok so that you should take advantage of for your content before you run adverts. Because when you run adverts with this kind of content that is well optimized for search on TikTok, people can find you. People would find you organically, so, and it's not going to boost the result of your advert. And even after you have stopped running the adverts, people can still see you through that post. Before you make any post on TikTok, come to the search bar and search whatever products you want to post. Let's say it's jewelry box. Once you type jewelry box, TikTok would show you what different people are searching for. Jewelry box seller in Nigeria, jewelry gift for wife, jewelry box organizer. It is advisable you add them to your post. Just add them to your post. It helps your page pop out when people are searching for that particular product. This is an example of how we strategically added those keywords to this post. You may post and it may not do well immediately, but at times, after a while, it starts doing well. So add specific keywords of what people are searching for regarding that particular product. You're welcome. I'm thirsty. You people, please like this video, drop a comment, share with your family, friends, and your enemies. Thank you for doing that. I do appreciate. Now let's talk about hashtag. When you are making posts on TikTok, use related hashtag that people can see you with. I sell chains like this for personal use, accessories, bracelets, and even for gifts. Let's say I want to sell these bracelets for the purpose of a gift. I want to advertise it as a gift. It is important I also add hashtag women bracelet in Lagos, customized bracelet in Lagos if it's customizable, gifts for women in Lagos, bracelet gifts in Lagos because I am in Lagos, bracelet gifts in Nigeria. Add hashtag to your post. Also add specific keywords. When you post on TikTok, let there be specific keywords. What are people looking for? Add it. A lot of effort went into making research and putting out everything I did for this video. Please hit the like button and drop a comment if you find this video valuable. It goes a long way in helping my channel grow. It goes a long way in telling the algorithm that this is a good video so that it can be pushed to more people like you that need to see this content, and it kind of compensates all the effort I put into filming, editing, and making research, writing scripts. Thank you for your help. I really do appreciate that. I have a detailed video of A to Z of how to run TikTok adverts that would give you amazing results. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.